before I start this video, dislikes are not what I deserve at all. So me new TDP members, do not dislike this video, because dislikes are not what I deserve at all. So yeah. Anyways, let's get on to the video. Hello guys, it's me, Loudhouse. Yes, me new TDP members know. Today I'll do a review on the red and blue USB charger, or the USB cable I should say, which was this thing right here. It was colored in blue, light blue, but yeah. It's also a charger for smartphones and tablets and other mobile devices. Yeah, if you can just plug it in right here. Switch to the other side. Yeah, it actually lights up red and blue. And sometimes it was pink. So yeah, it's beautiful, right? Yeah, I'm plugging it. Yeah, well, that's it for this video, and this is Loudhouse. Yes, me new TDP members know, signing off.